As a new generation DSLR camera gimbal, AK4000 from Feiyu technology has reached the professional level as photographic device. Ultra-large torque motor with infinite power achieves AK4000 4 kilograms payload capacity, compatible with various DSLR cameras and cinematographs. AK4000 weighs only 1,436 grams. The low weight of it wins more people's love. Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth dual-mode connection and equipped with LCD touchscreen, enable the function mode selection in gimbal and camera parameters setting easily. It effectively avoids complicated operations on smartphone. It is equipped with the multifunctional extension bracket, which expands more professional equipment. Coaxial double-gear follow focus precisely focuses the camera in real time. The combination with carbon fiber extension rod makes the operation more comfortable and labor-saving. Installing the gimbal on the waistcoat enables you to make great video creation. AK4000 has unique space mode, 3-axis, 360-degree forward. The lens can be faster response to any rotation. Press the trigger button to enter real-time follow mode. The camera lens can quickly capture the shooting subject. Stand by at any time. Auto rotation and automatic shutter control functions enable the moving night scene to easily realize time-lapse photography. High-energy polymer lithium battery gives lifetime for AK4000 as long as 12 hours. The professionalism and convenience of AK4000 makes it easily meet the needs of various scenes and various levels of film and television creation. Inspire more creativity and reduce the burden in shooting process. Enable you to enjoy the pleasure of video creation.